Hey everyone, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on how I created this makeup look right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. What are you doing? Are you doing the makeup tutorial today? Okay. Wow. Hello guys. It is I doing the makeup tutorial today, not Tunchi, even though he's laying right here and he's purring. I think he really likes this makeup look. Who knows? You just love your mommy? Yeah. Today's look, I'm using the Dose of Colors Smokey Soirée palette. I actually did this look on my Instagram stories with a little get ready with me moment, probably like, I don't know, like a week ago or so. And I just thought it turned out really pretty. I was kind of looking at the pictures that like saved to my camera roll and I thought, let's do it here on the YouTubes. I'm gonna start by mixing Fired Up and On the Rocks. When I tell you guys these are so pigmented, watch. I'm literally tapping, and tap off the excess. There's still gonna be quite a bit of color, see? Yeah. Should I zoom you guys in? I feel like I should. There we go. Now we're up close and personal. I'll start just by blending this in my outer corner, kind of in the outer corner crease area. And I'm just kind of doing little circular motions. The nice thing about these shadows is like the more you work with them, the more they kind of melt into the skin. So then as you see, I'm kind of transitioning into windshield wiper motion, so kind of pulling it in towards the kind of front of my brow here. As you see, I really am just kind of working to diffuse this color. Notice how I really just kind of diffuse the color, focus it here, pulled it in, and then kind of up and out. I'm taking my Makeup by Mario shadow brush. It's a little bit smaller, a little more compact. I'm going to do the same thing. Literally, I'm trying to turn this so you guys can see. Dip, dip, tap it off. I'm gonna start to kind of stamp this along my lower lash line, and then once the pigment is set down, I'm gonna then start blending. I just realized my lips look so dry. Oh my gosh. As I get to the outer corner, I really just kind of pull the shadow up towards the brow, connecting it with the shadow that we kind of pulled out there. And the lower lash line, I will say I think it's a little bit darker than up top, which is fine because I kind of like the balance it creates. It's really pretty. Then what I'll do is just take the larger blending brush and I will kind of dust everything here. Using my finger, I'm going to pick up New in Town. I'm just going to kind of stamp this all over my lid. And you can obviously like build this up as much as you want. I wanted this look to just be kind of chill, subtle, so I'm only gonna add so much. But you can definitely build this to make a very intense shimmer moment. This is the Makeup by Mario X Sephora smudge brush. Just a super tiny, teeny little guy. I'm gonna pick up some of the black shade. Has a name. It's called Midnight. We're actually going to use this as eyeliner, so I'm stamping it down. Starting in the outer portion, and then I'm just using small little strokes to kind of pull it forward where I want it, and line the rest of my eye. And this liner, you know, is just very like diffused, smudgy. That's pretty much it for the eye shadow and like liner, I guess, but even though we didn't really use liner, but you know what I'm saying. So then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara and just gonna apply mascara like usual. Because this look is so chill, I feel like you could honestly do no lashes, but y'all know me, I will be applying lashes. I'm actually wearing Ardell Wispies, but I customized them with little individuals. I don't know what this little individuals. So anyway, here they are. You can see how I trimmed them to fit my eye shape, and then they obviously look a little thicker and fluffier. That's because I put individual lashes on there. And if you want, I do have a video about that. So I will put that in the description box below. If you want to check that out, you can. Next step is I'm going to take some of my Mercier translucent glow powder. This stuff is very finely milled. I've been using it a lot lately, especially in I feel like the last few makeup tutorials, but I'm using that for my inner corner and my brow bone highlight. And I think I'm actually going to put some on my face too. So pretty. I feel like people really sleep on this stuff. Like, if you guys have thought about trying it, I honestly really recommend it. Like, it's such a pretty, like, healthy looking glow. It's not chunky or glittery at all. The lip combo that I did with this look I really liked also, and it's just such a nice, like, everyday chill kind of lip color. For me anyway. I'm gonna do KKW Beauty lip liner in nude 0.5. It's very light and pinky. And I'm just gonna overline my lips like I normally do. I fill my lip completely in with this lip liner as well. I know I normally do that, at least the top lip, but the bottom lip we're gonna fill in all the way too. Then I'm gonna take my Colourpop lip pencil in BFF3. It's nice and dark, and I'm gonna kind of define my Cupid's bow here, and then kind of shade it in with my finger. And I'm gonna also define the center, and shade in the sides of my bottom lip. I do actually want to take a little down the sides. Lip liner is super long wearing, if you didn't know. It actually wears longer than lipstick, and in most cases I would say. Wow, I just had deja vu. That was like crazy. I like to take my concealer brush and just kind of clean up my lip line here. Okay. I feel like it turned out a little more brown when I originally did it, but I'm not mad at the way it looks right now. Like, it's still really pretty. Just gonna take a little dab of a clear lip gloss. This is Kopari Lip Glossy. And I'm just gonna kind of tap that on just for a little shine action. Of course, I'm gonna set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Final look, here we are. Hello, hello. That completes this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. I will be sure and list all of the products that I use in the description box below for you. And let me know what you think. Do you like this glam? I know quite a few of you guys that do have me on Instagram. You guys were like vibing with this look, so thought I would just give you like a more in-depth moment that doesn't disappear because Instagram stories disappear. So I really love this. It's just such a like wearable, kind of like flirty moment, you know? If you enjoyed this video, be sure and let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. It honestly really helps me out. Also, if you're not already, please be sure and support me as a creator by subscribing to my channel. It is honestly like the biggest way you guys can help me out as I am growing here on YouTube, and I would really love to hit 4K super soon. So go ahead and support your girl and subscribe to my channel, and maybe share this video with someone that you think might enjoy it as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!